Okay, I'm playing around with some more ace productions, so I'm gonna perform this one for you, and then I'm gonna teach it today. It's a different kind of ace production. This is it's got a Pierre Vallarino production, which is this one. It's a very beautiful production. Okay, and then the next ace production is Michael Skinner ace production, which goes like this. You give the card some cuts. Okay, you can produce one. So we'll do this again. Okay, for people who missed it. Okay, you're going to have some cards selected out. Have 2 cards selected, and then of course we show that that is not the aces. Okay. They're not. So we have the 7 of hearts and the Jack of diamonds. Okay, so keep your eye on those 7 of hearts, Jack of diamonds, and we just bang like that, and we change. Now this is a really simple ace production, so I'm going to teach you how to do this. You have the 4 aces on the bottom of the pack to begin with, and all you're going to do is do your favorite false shuffles and cuts. Just maintain your stock of the 4 aces on the bottom. Okay. There's this false cut you can do. This is from Expert at the Card Table from Erdnase, and that is you come in here, your ring finger here, and you just take top packet off. Okay, maintains your bottom stock. There's many things you can do. Okay, now you give the cards some shuffles. Okay, letting the 4 cards drop first, and give the cards some. It's kind of like a Hindu shuffle on the table, so you can do a lot with it. See, this is not doing anything to the bottom stock, right? Now when you're ready, you have the 4 aces on the bottom. When you're ready, what you're going to do is you're going to do like a basically it's a bottom transfer, block transfer, but it's just 1 card. And the way you do that is you drop 1 here, and then you're going to do, so you're going to take from the back here, you can see what I'm doing. Drop 1 here, and then I'm just going to pull out these cards, okay, to the left as I pull this. So it's basically like a slip cut action, but from the bottom. It's like a halo slip cut. And then when you do that, you've got the 1 ace there. Then you can, your other aces are on bottom, so you can give it a few cuts. And then you go like this. Go here, here, and here. So this is Vallarino. It's very beautiful. So I just use that 1. And then for the next one, what I do is I do the Michael Skinner as I come forward and get a break, as I spread forward, as I'm scoring up the deck, I get a right thumb break. Okay. It's a right thumb break. So that's what it looks like from the back, right? And then all you do is you give the cards some cuts, some blocks of cards, and then when you're ready to produce the card, you just simply move your hand in this motion like this. See, boom. Now when you come to here, you're going to drop, as you square up, you're going to drop 2, because those 2 aces are on bottom, right? So you're going to drop 2 off your right thumb. So it's 1, 2, and then at this point you're going to cut that packet. And then right here you can do some false. You know, this is like basically a false cuts, maintaining the top. So do whatever you want to do, you know, your false cuts and stuff, but just maintain your position. Now for the last one, what I do is I want to do something different. So I have 2 cards, and this is I think this is from Bill Goodwin idea, I believe, or Bill Goodwin and Larry Jennings, that type of thing. And so I get a pinky break on the top 2 aces. Okay. And then I do that as a deck was spread to the cards selected. These are not. And then I get actually like a 3rd break here. So what I do is as I square up in biddle grip, there's a 3rd break here. It's a pinky break and a 3rd finger break on this card. Okay, so this is a double break. Don't worry, they're not going to see it, because as you square up, you're going to go like this, and you just pull that one out, and you've got 1 ace behind here. So what you do is you put this in position, like in this grip. And then as you're showing these are not the cards, your pinky slightly goes up, and you're going to push with your middle finger here into your pinky. So it's like that. So let's see how that's coming out. So this is coming out of here, right? So you're showing the 2 cards, and it's done real quick like this, and you just plop this on top, boom, like that. And then you're clean right here, you're clean right here. All you have to do to get rid of this is just cut that to the bottom, and then you can reverse it later on when you do one of these type actions, which is, see it's on bottom, you're going to push that into the pinky, and then you're just going to come up to shuffle. So you do the shuffle reversal like that. So there you go. There's a little ace production for you. Enjoy it. Please like, subscribe, and share. And to see the master tutorials, go to promagicart.com.